Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I'm going to show you our 4th of July day setup. So I've been planning this 4th of July day table for about 2 months now, and I can't wait to show you guys all the details. But before we get started, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse. I hope you guys love this red, white, and blue table summer setup. For our Independence Day company this year, I put together this 4th of July tablescape to act as a buffet station for the holiday. I generally like to keep things casual when it's hot outside, and serving everyone from one place really works well. My 4th of July tablescape was inspired by classic Americana. I wanted it to have a slight vintage feel, but also fun enough that the kids would enjoy it and the adults would feel nostalgic. Since I was setting this up in our barn, I already knew there would be a lot of wood elements. The vintage table in there is one I use often for my tablescapes because I love the natural feel. The doors are actually doors I bought from my office, but they're a little too tall right now, so we'd have to do some construction to make them work. However, they end up making a great backdrop for this and other tablescapes. I wanted to highlight the wood elements but still give the space a really classic feel. I added galvanized elements like the 3-tier stand, the silverware bucket, and some glass drink dispensers with some metal on the top, and I also found some cute candle holders at Target. I then added in enamelware elements like the serving bowl full of popcorn and the hot dog tray that really bring in a timeless feel. Plus, they're weatherproof, so that's always a bonus when you're entertaining in the summer. The classic black and white with the clean lines really contrast the shabby chic elements. It creates a lasting look that works for whatever decade you're celebrating in. For the food, I also wanted to stick with classic summer items, so I put together a hot dog tray and added some popcorn, chips, and pretzels as snack food. Then I used corn on the cob as a great summer side dish option. I knew I wanted to serve lemonade as the main drink and use our real glass mason jars for mugs. In addition to the other decor, I added in a few little details, like the Stars and Stripes pendant banner, some small pinwheels, and wooden stars. I believe adding a few elements like this can really make the whole look of the tablescape feel complete. Thank you guys so much for following along today, and I hope you love the 4th of July day table setup. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Also, there will be a full blog post up at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com with all the details on everything you've seen here today. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.